People everywhere continue to ask what is happening with the real estate market. And while many are still just using that simple term that the real estate market is hot, you've heard me forecast an upcoming market shift. And our monthly market update this month is sure to shed additional light on exactly what I have been predicting and sharing with you. Last month, I shared the news that the market may be starting to shift in favor of home buyers, with more inventory coming in the market than in recent months. However, the road back to a balanced market seems to be a long one, and we're really just getting started down that path. Let's take a look at the Orlando Kissimmee MSA, as we always do, to see exactly what took place here in real estate last month. In the month of August, there were 3,582 active listings in the region, and this is down 38% from the same time last year, although it is slightly up from last month. In fact, this was the highest month for active listings we've witnessed in the market since February of this year. Additionally, pending sales were down 7.4% from August of 2020, and this too continues to remain relatively unchanged over the last 3 months. Now, although the median sales price in the region is up 17.2% from this time last year, averaging $365,000, this number too has essentially remained unchanged since June of this year. Finally, closed sales were up 3.4% from this time last year. However, the number of closed sales has continued to decline month after month after month since June of 2021. And like I shared last month, July and August are actually the only months that we have seen single-digit increases in the number of closed sales compared to last year. All of these numbers really illustrate the point I've been making over the last number of months. You see, I've been watching these stats closely, and I continue to see a signaling that there's a leveling off for homeowners that's actually in favor of home buyers. Now, this isn't to say that homeowners need to worry. It's still solidly a seller's market, but if you're seriously consider selling your home in the near future, now really is the time to begin a conversation. I would hate to see you wait too long and miss one of the strongest selling seasons we have seen in more than a decade. I want to share with you one more interesting number for both home buyers and home sellers this month. And this relates to the number of cash sales we're seeing and its significance to you. Cash sales for homes have more than tripled over the last year. You have to ask yourself why, and the answer is simple. Institutional buyers are working to outbid home buyers, not for the purpose of living in the homes they're buying, but for investing in them, for cash flow. And homeowners, listen, it's to pull equity from one of our largest asset classes, real estate, over to their balance sheets. These investors are vying to take the true equity our homeowners have built up. And I do want to give you a word of caution, especially anyone that's been enticed by these intriguing ads we see all over the place, whether it's billboards or commercials or anything. The time-tested saying that if it seems too good to be true, it may be, absolutely applies here. A slick ad that tells you about a guaranteed offer is certain to really only guarantee one thing: you giving your equity to someone else. So of course, as always, as a trusted real estate advisor, remember I am always here to serve as a resource for you. And I always welcome your calls, your texts, and your emails. Until next month, stay well.